Gonna come down a bit. This is the configuration file that Vault is gonna use when it's starting up. What we're gonna do is we need to update the paths to the TLS cert file and the TLS key file. So I'm gonna exit this really quick. I'm gonna copy this vault-server-cert.pem. I'm gonna go back into that configuration file and I'm gonna change that. And I'm also gonna do the same. I think I'm gonna, yeah, sorry, just texting my wife real quick. Here we go. Boom. So that should be the same vault server dash. Let me just double check. Gonna copy this. Just want to make sure. And yeah, that's the same. All right, so we want to update those file names, right? We don't want to use what was installed with Vault. We want to use our own. You could use what came with it, but I wanted to use our own, right? The ones that we created. So what we're also going to do here, we need to update the API address, right? Because we are using API underscore ADDR equals HTTPS. I got to go grab that guy again, 8200. Because we want this Vault server to be accessible externally, we need to update this API underscore ADDR, the address, to our public IP. And I'm going to go grab that one more time. Give me 1 second. And got it. Find the terminal. Here it is. I'm going to paste that right there. And boom. Now, if you all are using the medium write-up that we did, if you're using that and you're going through this, please keep in mind that the copying and pasting may produce some errors, okay? Specifically with the quotation. All right, for some reason, copying it from Medium and trying to paste it into these text editors, it's something wonky going on with the quotes. I don't know what it is, but there's something wrong with it. Just pay close attention to it. If you run into errors, hopefully we run into one so we can see it and you can see what I'm talking about. Pay close attention to it. Come back here. If you do run into some type of error, what I recommend doing is just backspacing the quote that you pasted in here. Backspace all of them, right? Delete all of them and manually enter the quotes, right? Or the quotation. All right, so we're gonna save this. All right, so we edited this file. We updated the TLS cert file path and the TLS key file path to the key and insert we created. We added the API address so we can access our Vault server externally. I'm gonna save that. You can save it with either hitting Shift:WQ. Shift:WQ. When you hit Shift:, you should see a colon pop up down here. Then you just type WQ